Crossing the artistic line of the River Ray, we come to another piece of street art by Joanne Tatham and Tom O'Sullivan, the Digbeth Cylinder. Handmade tiling, been in just a few weeks. Quite a beautiful piece. Taken a long time for Eastside Projects, who curated this piece, to get it installed, and just a few weeks after installation, someone's put their graffiti tag. But you know, I prefer to call it vandalism. Birmingham's Public Art, a book I produced 3 years ago. I pointed out that we have more public art in our city than any other provincial city in the United Kingdom. But we don't look after it. It looks after itself. The Kennedy Mosaic, exact name, a fantastic piece, a reconnection with the original piece by the artist's son, and yet we've allowed it to be desecrated by street graffiti vandalism.